Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today. So today guys, basically I did a spin on Litecoin giveaway and I got 10 cents just for making a spin guys. As you already know, for Litecoin giveaway, basically what you do is every hour you're able to spin. They gave you 2 spins and you can go ahead and play video and get more spins. But as you can see guys right here, I did go ahead and do a spin and I get 10 cents. So I just want to share that with you guys. It's the first time I've ever just spent and earned 10 cents, and as you can see they congratulate me. I was able to put my name there and everything. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go to our Bitcoin cash giveaway, and we're gonna do some spin and we're gonna see if we're able to just earn a lot more than usual today, just like we did. So as you guys can see, I'm spinning right now. Sorry about the noise guys. So I got 30 coins right there, and 46 coins. I'm gonna go ahead with the 46 coin. So that's it guys. So before I go guys, I just want to say always remember, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining.